Imagine for a moment you are holding a photograph of your great-grandfather. It is a physical piece of paper. It has survived wars, floods, and decades of neglect. Now, imagine the digital photos of your own children. Where are they? On a server? In the cloud? What if I told you that those memories are currently evaporating? We are living in a digital desert. Every single day, we pour our collective history into containers that are designed to break. We are the first generation in human history that might leave absolutely nothing behind for the future. The connections are snapping. The links are rotting. And the silence is growing louder. Have you ever wondered why we call it the digital dark age? It is not about a lack of information. It is about a lack of access. A hard drive is not a library. It is a ticking time bomb. Most drives die within 3 to 5 years. If the hardware fails, the data is gone forever. Vint Cerf, the man who helped build the internet, has warned us. He sees a future where the years from 1990 to 2020 become a black hole. Software evolves. Formats become obsolete. We are building our monuments on quicksand. We have 800 billion pages archived, but 38% of the links shared just a decade ago. They lead to nothing but empty, static error pages. The past is literally deleting itself. So, how do we fight back? We stop trusting the cloud. We look to the past to save the future. Scientists are now turning to the most stable medium we know, glass. Imagine a plate of quartz, etched by lasers, capable of holding your entire digital life for 10,000 years. It is immune to fire. It is immune to water. It is immune to the electromagnetic pulses that would fry our current cities. We are literally turning our data back into stone. We are moving from the convenience of the cloud to the permanence of the vault. It is a desperate, beautiful race against time to etch our existence into something that can actually last. But wait, it gets even stranger. If glass is our new stone tablet, then DNA is our new library. Scientists have found a way to encode our digital history into synthetic biological strands. Think about that. You could fit every single movie ever made into a space the size of a sugar cube. It is stable. It is compact. It is the ultimate analog backup. We are copying the architecture of life itself to protect the architecture of our culture. We are no longer just storing data, we are weaving it into the very fabric of biology. It is the ultimate irony. To save the internet, we must become organic. We have been sold a lie. We were told that the cloud was infinite, that digital was forever. But true preservation is not about more data, it is about the right data. It is the courage to admit that not everything needs to be saved, but the things that matter must be moved to the analog vault. We must de-digitize our legacy. We must print the critical records to film. We must etch the stories into glass. If we don't, we are just flickering lights in a long, dark corridor. The future of history depends on what we choose to hold on to today. Thanks for exploring this with me. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.